Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how I changed the front panel because this one is too rusty. Like you see, there's too much work on it, and I have another one. The only thing is, it's from the new model, so I have to cut out the center. I think I will cut it from here because I need the screw points for the grills. Like you see, because on the new one it's different. The lights are okay, they fit. The only thing this have to cut out also because it pushes on the grill. Like you see. Okay, so first we will delete the center while it's still on the car. First the spot welds here above. I will cut it here in half. So now we can take it out and check. I will cut this out like this so I don't have to weld so much. A little change like this. So now I'm gonna cut it a little bit farther away, like here, the other piece. Okay, so this one is now out. Now I'm gonna delete this here, so I can check with my grill if the center is perfect in the middle. But now I have problems with this part because I can't put it very good on his place now, so I'm gonna delete it. So now I'm checking if my grills with the lights in, it's perfect. You can put the line everywhere around. So now this is the last cut I have to do to fit perfect. Okay, the last pieces are out now. Okay, now it fits everywhere together, like you see. So now I can weld it. I did some spot welds. Everything is equal now, like you see. So now I'm gonna weld it all together. It's welded together. Don't do it in one time. Do it step by step, a little bit here, there. So the plate doesn't change shape. What I'm going to do now is cut this one off, so it's equal with this one. On top I'm gonna hammer this one down a little bit, because on the other one you see it's like this, so we're gonna change it. Okay, so now I cut this one off, drill a hole for the grill, and here too. I'm going to show you now, so everything fits. This one, perfect. I'm gonna start sandblasting the front. Let's go! The whole front is sandblasted, and now I'm gonna put a little bit epoxy primer on it. So now I painted the epoxy primer on it.